It's summertime, it's a gorgeous day to cook outside, and today we're making wood-fired empanadas. Let's start by building a nice fire. In a cast iron pan, I'm gonna pour some oil, add diced chorizo and garlic, and grill it for a few seconds, maybe a minute. Smells wonderful. Add ground meat, tomato paste, green olives, diced pickled jalapenos, pickled jalapeno juice, cumin, oregano, paprika, and cornstarch. Some beef broth, mix it well, and let it boil down. Keep an eye on it. Voila, it smells wonderful. Now taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Let it cool down while we prep our empanada dough. The dough can be made ahead of time, up to 24 hours, or you can buy ready empanada dough if you have access to it. The entire recipe is on the Forno Venetzia blog. You're looking for a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. I'm using a 6-inch bowl to cut out my dough. We'll add about 2 tablespoons of the meat mixture and a slice of hard-boiled egg. In order to seal the empanada, I like to put a bit of water on the bottom half. Flip it over. First method, you can use your thumb to seal it. And then a fork. And the second method, the more traditional method, start by doing a triangle with the first corner and then continue flipping it on itself and seal it all the way around. Gorgeous. Now we're going to make some egg wash. Simply beat 1 egg and using a pastry brush, just brush the egg wash all over the top of your empanada. Not the bottom because it would stick to your Forno Venetzia, just the top. I use a mix of semolina and flour in order for the empanadas not to stick to the peel. I do the same for my pizzas, by the way. My oven shows 400 Fahrenheit and the floor should be close to 450 Fahrenheit. Anyways, keep an eye on them. And this, my friend, is the perfect wood-fired empanada. Buen provecho!